Good day, sir. I am Jennifer Balopeñas from BSE 2B. So, now we are going to talk about the ethical issues surrounding by germline gene therapy. So, gene therapy has too many unexpected side effects. Even if the treatment is success at curing the illness, it is possible that other mutations will be brought about. Any new mutations introduced as a result of germline gene therapy will be passed on the following generations because it targets the reproductive cells. And also, the need for the post-fertilization screening of embryos wouldn't be ever be sufficiently eliminated by the germline gene therapy. So compared to the IVF and pre-implantation screening for viable embryos, fetal gene therapy entails more steps and poses more dangers to the developing child.
So my task to report that given is about do the potential benefits of germline gene therapy outweigh the potential risk? So the answer is the concept of this germline change is deductible. So while it may prevent a particular genetic condition from affecting future family, it may also have anticipate short or long term impacts of a fetus development. So since those who will be impacted by germline gene therapy have may not yet been born, so they are unable to decide whether to receive treatment. So the agreement to alter their genetic makeup cannot be obtained from people created by germline gene therapy.
Germline gene therapy costs a lot. Only parents with sufficient health insurance will be able to receive germline gene therapy in the regions of the world without free health care. This type of therapy will not be available to poorer parents. Is germline gene therapy ethically acceptable? Theoretically, germline gene therapy might be used to select for specific physical traits, whether or not they are crucial for the person's health. A population's genetic makeup could be improved on a large scale through the use of germline gene therapy. The broad application of germline gene therapy may result in a decrease in society's tolerance for those who are different or who suffer from particular handicap or hereditary ailment.
Gene therapy is an exciting field of medicine that shows great promise to treat a variety of conditions, especially rare genetic disorders and certain forms of cancer. As is typical with medical advance, questions have arisen about the boundaries of ethical uses of these therapies. Gene therapies discussing and understanding ethical issues, patients and their families can engage in informed shared decision making with the medical and research community about how new technology should be used. Some types of gene therapy are assigned to insert a working gene into a cell, while leaving an original non-working gene present and unaltered. Gene editing is another type of gene therapy that removes, disrupts, alters, or corrects faulty elements of DNA within a gene of interest. Gene editing uses technology designed to make target genes inside the cell.
So, in short, it is not legal to perform a germline gene therapy because of these issues. And those conclude our presentation.